200 bob you buy them for, because you want the air to get in from every angle when you're doing compost, making compost. Okay? So the air comes from the bottom all around, right? And that's how it should look as it breaks down. Yeah, you turn it from one to the next. This one will turn this one in here. This is barley grown hydroponically. Okay, so basically you get a kilo of barley, which is 36 shillings, and then we soak it in water for 24 hours. Okay, then we take the water off and leave it for another 24 hours to germinate. Then it's put into the trays when it's already started to sprout. Then you water it 3 times a day with that spray there. Okay, all right, and they water it and it filters down. So you water this one and there's holes here, and then it goes down and it fixes that one. Water from the top and the water runs through. In 8 days.
You just water plain water or
Yeah.
the water?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you that in a minute. Then in 8 days, you then roll it up like a mattress, literally. Okay, and then we take it out to feed to the animals. Every animal on this farm, even the dogs, like it. Okay. Now, yeah, you can. Yeah. If you have a look, you notice there's a slightly different colour here and here. This is richer. Okay. When it's completed its 8-day process, it will be another inch higher. So it's going to be 6 shillings a kilo. Now why is that? Because we've used worm tea. In that little jar just below the sprayer, we put worm tea and we sprayed it on here, and I wanted to show you the difference. Doing it naturally and getting another kilo by putting worm tea. Now can you imagine what it can do to soil, worm tea? And all you girls that have orchids and this, that, the other, I would be putting that with water and spraying them with worm tea.
This is big poo,
Just
ordinary, wrapped up, then it goes down here.
We should have made that. But it's a perfect cooking thing. And then we've used all only the wood from the shamba. Okay.
And what's the top? You make this lovely here.
And then I got this, somebody does that in Kisumu bread. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But everything else is constructed.
Yeah. But isn't this super systems?
What's the cast iron? No, I think it's stone, right? Who's that concrete?
You know, the way they like it.
No, that's not. Is that made? Is this concrete?
No, it's clay.
What is?
It comes from Kisumu.
This is clay.
Yeah.
Not concrete.
Yeah. No.
It's much stronger, definitely.
Yeah.
Than that.
What goes in the clay? That's just a piece of
my phone.